In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see and recover deleted Instagram messages. We're going to use Instagram's built-in export tool inside the Account Center. This lets you download a copy of your data and specifically pull your chats so you can review conversations, including messages that may no longer appear in the app. Keep in mind, if something has been permanently removed from Instagram servers, it won't show up, but this method is the most reliable way to check. Start by opening the Instagram app and going to your profile. In the upper right corner, tap the three lines to open the menu. From there, go into the Account Center, which is where Instagram manages your data and connected profiles. Look for your information and permissions. This section controls what you can access and download from your account. Next, tap Export Your Information. This is the feature that creates a downloadable copy of your Instagram data. Choose Create Export to begin. If you have multiple profiles connected, select the Instagram profile you want to export from so the download includes the right messages. For where to save the export, choose Export to Device. That keeps the file on your phone or tablet, which is convenient for quick access. Then tap Customized Information so you can pick exactly what to include. Tap Clear All to deselect everything. Scroll down and check Only Messages. This keeps the export small and focused, making it faster to create and easier to review. Tap Save to confirm your selection. Now choose a date range. If you're looking for recently deleted messages, set a range that covers when those conversations happened. Narrowing the dates helps keep the file compact and relevant. For the file type, pick HTML format. HTML opens easily in any web browser and is the simplest way to read and search your chats without special software. When you're ready, tap Start Export. Instagram will prepare your data based on the options you selected. The time this takes can vary depending on how many messages are included and the date range you chose. Once the export is ready and saved to your device, open the HTML file in your browser to review your conversations. You can scroll through threads, use your browser's search to find names or keywords, and check for messages that no longer appear in the app. Treat the export like sensitive data and keep it secure since it contains your private conversations. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials.